How you doing, Scotty Bear? Back with another video. This video about proposed bill SB 75. So Thirrmanbuck sent me this email. Sent everybody that has contacted him this email, not just me. But I would like to point to a specific issue. Proposed changes to DETRs pending in the Nevada legislature. And basically what we got here is DETR trying to uh, not help Nevadans, right? Instead, changes like does not create a default pay if DETR fails to act in a reasonable amount of time, because why would you want to do that? Does not include the automatic forgiveness of innocent mistakes that federal law allows. Like the innocent mistakes of waiting 9 months and the innocent mistakes of having appeals thrown out and the innocent mistakes of, sending my documents front and back, certified mail 3 times, stuff like that. Bad stuff for claimants, good stuff for DETR. Instead of going by the mandate set out by the federal guideline of the CARES Act. So, Thirrmanbuck gives us some points here in which to take and argue or make known to our representative. Put your story on the record. And I mean, what do you need when something like this happens? You need a lawyer, right? I mean, and so I am going to try to put the Robot Lawyer to work. DoNotPay app. I'm going to try. I have drafted out some points here, some brief points. I don't know what the Robot Lawyer is going to ask me. He knows better than me, even though Thirrmanbuck gives some links here. Look up your state legislator. I don't even, I have looked. I don't live in Nevada anymore because I was affected from DETR's actions. And so really I was done with it. So I left. And I, thank God I did, really, because DETR is not disappointed with their failure to do much. So we are going to contact our representative, and Mr. Robot Lawyer is maybe going to help us out. So Governor Sisolak, the mayor would be Sisolak's the governor, and the mayor would be the lady. God, I've blown her name on stream here or whatever. So we're going to contact Senator Representative. All right, so we're going to talk to them about, man, do we vote against the bill or do we sponsor a bill, co-sponsor a bill, vote against the bill? Maybe that's it. Please enter the name of the bill or policy your representative. Okay. All right, let's see. Name of the bill is SB 75. Hopefully the Robot Lawyer is going to help us out here. Hopefully this stream is going to come out. Please describe in detail why you want your representative to vote against this bill. Fill in the following blanks. I'm asking you to vote against this bill for the following reasons. The following reasons are DETR gets to blatantly disregard the federal mandate. Then gets to illegally try to collect from me for over payments I don't owe. All right, we're kind of doctoring it up here a little bit. I didn't know what it's gonna require. Okay, so we're gonna put that in there. Okay, and we're gonna okay. Are there additional details you would like to include? Oh, maybe I did it right. Okay. PUA overpayments. I want to make sure I give it some good. Okay, money I've proven time and time again I don't owe. Mailing them. All right. How is DETR going? Okay. There's no telling what's going to happen here. I'm just going by. Okay. I don't know. That's a good question. I want to include just a little more here. I don't know how this is going to work, I'll be honest. We're just going by, we are out of options because no one is listening to me. Let's see. How is DETR going about the operation of this program? Just guessing how they feel in them are. All right. Let's see here. Doing this live so that way you can see I am just doing what it asked me to do. How is it I'm waiting a year later now for Okay, next point. Okay, next point. And then, have you seen how screwed up the website is? The Sorry, can be tough kind of typing on the stream here. It's blocking me from my right to appeal. All right, wrong one. It's blocking me from my right to appeal. Look at my proof. I posted on YouTube. There we go. This is a disgrace. And DETR, this bill is a way of shielding itself instead of paying Nevadans. This bill needs to be killed. All right. We're going to go with that, friends. Like I said, I wasn't prepared for exactly what I needed, and I wanted to shoot the video. Here we are, 9 minutes. Boom. Bill SB. 75 be stopped in its tracks. Would you like to contact representatives of the state or the House? That's a good question. Fuck me. I mean, shouldn't say those words. Both. Yes. Just to confirm. Yes. It's my business address. I had to move out of Nevada because they were such deadbeats. So we're going to go with that one. Seems like we couldn't find it. Would you like to try a different address? Oh man. Yes. Enter an address. Holy crap, Ozoid. I'm going to find address here. Hold on just a second. A past address, a place I lived. All right, so we got a better address in there. So we need to contact all of these people. Jacky Rosen, all these people. I'm going to tag all these people in the video. Hopefully we're rolling here. All right, great. I'll send your message to the following representatives on your behalf. I'm going to copy these. I'm going to put these over here for the video because they are going to be important. And then send my letter. Yes. You're all set. Do you have any additional concerns? No. I would like to share this and share this video. Boom. Thank you very much for watching. We'll report how the robot lawyer does.